Animals, animals, big and small, each has a home and a special call. Listen closely and you will hear the sounds of creatures far and near.
Hello, everyone. It's Teacher Joe. Are you ready for a fun adventure today? Woohoo! Today we are going to learn about common animals. Can you say animals? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Animals! Fantastic! Let's jump right in. First animal. Let's go to the forest. Look around. Can you see that cute little rabbit hopping over there? Can you say rabbit?
Rabbit. Rabbit!
That's right. A rabbit loves to jump and play. Whoa! Do you see that deer? Can you say deer with me? Deer! Deers are shy and love to munch on leaves. Here's a fun fact. They can run really fast. Can you run in place like a deer? Sheep are very friendly animals at the farm. The young one of a sheep is called a lamb. A male sheep is called a ram. And a female sheep is called a ewe. Did you know that the sheep's meat is called mutton? It's very yummy when cooked. Have you ever eaten mutton? Pigs love to play in the mud. Pigs are very friendly animals at the farm. The young one of a pig is called a piglet. A male pig is called a boar, and a female pig is called a sow. Did you know that the pig's meat is called pork? Wow! Now we're underwater. Look at all the fish. Can you say fish? Fish! Fish swim and splash water. What do fish use to swim? They use fins. Fish live in water bodies like lakes and oceans. At home, we keep fish in a fish pond. Turtles are super cool. Turtles live in oceans, lakes, rivers, and on land. They take things slow and steady. Let's wave our hands like them. Woo! Turtles look like tortoises because they have a hard shell on their back. Wow, that was an amazing animal adventure. We saw rabbits, deers, sheep, pigs, fishes, and turtles. Can you remember all those animals? Awesome! Remember to look for these animals in the world around you. Until next time, keep exploring and having fun. Bye-bye, little explorers. See you soon.
Animals, animals, big and small, each has a home and a special call. Listen closely and you will hear the sounds of creatures far and near.